Alpesh, how are businesses transforming also in healthcare?
Well, businesses in healthcare are going to be completely different. If you look at how four aspects of how businesses need to change, which is their technology models, their business models, their operating models, and their market models, taking those in holistically and thinking about where the world is changing around patient care, around data, around market business models. What we're seeing is the complete transformation of the healthcare market to make it easier and cheaper and better to deal with customers from the pharmaceutical industry, to be able to supply drugs which are validated across the whole supply chain and making sure that those drugs are genuine. Providing better patient care by enabling parties who want to access patient data on the blockchain is another area. So we're seeing many applications of not just blockchain, but actually a combination of technologies into a suite of solutions.
So what do care providers need to do in order to be prepared for that?
I think they need to open their eyes and spend money at the senior levels thinking about their strategy. They should think about their strategy holistically in the four areas that I mentioned and think about where do they fit in the value chain and how can their business model be transformed in the value chain. So one of the key things we find when we have discussions with anyone is senior stakeholder buying is difficult because a lot of this stuff is actually difficult to understand. Blockchain itself is very difficult to understand. Really, corporates don't care about blockchain. They don't really care. Patients don't care about blockchain. Customers don't care about blockchain. What they really care about is, can it solve a problem for me? And I think that translation between a technology and actually saying, how does that technology impact my business is really where the gap is. So talking to boards and helping them understand the coming changes that are happening is key. And the capabilities that it allows an organization to create is where the opportunity is.